What is K25?
It's probably just his unit number.
Oh, I was gonna say, because I don't know how many variations of K9 equal K25.
That means it means he's got a bear in there.
A bear?
He opens up the back and it kind of rolls out.
Yeah, Ursa.
Wakes up.
Ursa 1. It's a police bear.
Police bear.
A police bear. And you guys say, only you can stop forest fires.
These are big.
Holy shnikes.
Careful, careful.
Oh, dude. You okay?
Oh yeah, I just lost it back in.
You need help? Oh! Almost. Hang on. Now what? You got gas all over you?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my wallet and keys for the motorcycle. At the very bottom of this big thing, inside of another bag, inside of the pocket, in the chest.
So would you say it's in a really safe place?
Yeah, nobody would find it.
Well, at least it is where you think it is, hopefully. And, you know, interesting stuff. See you later. Yeah, thank you. You too. Hello?
Hey.
Hey, there you are.
So over there, that's where the hookups are.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
There's cabins too, apparently.
Yeah, they're also over there, I guess.
Look to your right. You see all the electrical stuff?
Yeah.
That's where the dam is, right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So there's like 24 electrical or power dams on the Columbia River, and really that's the Columbia that we just
yeah, it's a shoot off of, or no, it is the Columbia.
Yeah, they just dam it up and then call each of them lakes. You might want to flip it around.
Well, then I'll be downhill, and then the bike will just roll anyways.
Oh, okay.
This isn't gonna work though.
Yeah. I would loop around and go behind me and park the same way I'm facing.
Right, no, I can't, so I can't do that, because I'm down, my bike will just roll.
Oh, you can't just leave it in gear? Put it in gear?
It'll still roll.
Really?
It'll creep forward, yeah.
Oh.
And then as soon as the kickstand goes, it'll fall over. So.
It's pretty nice having a parking brake. Oh, I see what you're doing. Yeah, pretty Ford smeller. There you go. Aggressive. Oh, you know what? I'm going to take my helmet off because I'm going to enjoy a nice cold Red Bull. That's going to be a pain in the ass.
Yeah, without the jacket, it's going to be annoying, but...
Put it in your backpack. Yeah, and then I'll just hook it up for you when you... That way when you get off, you don't have to worry about it. You're fine. No, I'd rather stand in the shade because it's pretty warm. What's that?
So we'll get out of here eventually.
Maybe. That's fine.
Yeah, the lady at KOA said that.
I know exactly where it is.
I might call you back then.
Huh? Yeah, in fact, the trail starts right on the road it's on. That's the we ride up that. Yeah.
You turn.
Are we going to do the difficult section?
That's tomorrow.
We'll see what tomorrow brings. Well, only because a real experienced rider told me that it was going to be a challenge for that bike with that much weight. So, but you know, the jungle, I'm told, is like one of the potentially hardest parts of the whole trip. My phone crapped out due to temperature.
Goodbye.
My phone went out.
Yeah, I think that was the real, like, kicker.
The margarita?
Margaritas, like, on, like, so 2 margaritas, and then, you know, 6 beers apiece. Not that I wasn't feeling bad or anything. This morning we did stay up until 1.
Yeah, I think I felt, well, when I was bending over to put my tin away, I for sure felt the effects of, well, everything.
Yes.
The riding and the heat, the dehydration.
Oh. It's not the fins, is it?
You know, I'll pick a gear. That might help.
Some say.
Some say picking a gear helps with forward motion. But Hammond wears a hat. Captain Slow crashes a buggy. And I am king of the world. Sound about right?
Yeah, pretty close, I would say. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
I think they get a lot of traffic from the BDR.
Probably. picking up my the trail. We turning left?
We're going back to with Kashmir, so we got.
We are?
Leave.
Yeah, mine shows left. Or is that the bypass?
Might be looking at the bypass. Ready?
Yeah. Except for that truck that you just pulled out in front of. Jeez.
I looked, he wasn't there. He came around the corner. It's a blind corner. I think we're going. We need to turn.
We need to turn, take where that truck is.
Yeah. So we'll let this car go by. And then we'll just wait here.
Yeah. There's a lot. But they're all turning.
Well, so do we need to go left or
Hang on.
straight?
We're doing Kashmir. No?
To Ellensburg.
Yeah.
Are we turning or?
Yeah. We'll turn and then we'll figure it out. He's letting us go.
Yeah.
So. Watch out, that guy's turning left, so. Alright.
Because I think we need to go back this way, right?
Well, that's what mine says. Yeah, because Wenatchee's north of Ellensburg.
Straight through. Yeah, 'cause isn't this the bridge that you were like, oh, we're going to go over the bridge?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to go straight through Wenatchee, continue on this road, and we'll pick up
The
at
trail.
Kashmir, and then...
No, Kashmir's behind us.
No, the trail is... Well, then
Okay.
we're going the wrong way.
Well,
That's what I've been trying to...
no.
Get out.
I think it goes from Kashmir this way.
No, it goes straight through Kashmir into the mountains. It goes... So the road that we went straight across the road on, and then we turned off to go to the bar...
Do we need to stop and
It's
get the
that
map
road.
out?
Well... Alright, let's... Yeah.
Let's go up here. That's Walmart up there. We'll just go up there and we'll get the map out. See, there's a couple of ADVrider guys right there.
I always hate when guys ride by and wave while I'm stopped. Cause I got my clutch in and I can't. I'm like, yeah, hey.
Just nod.
Yeah, I know.
Well, there's no shade.
Well, it doesn't matter. It's gonna take me 2 seconds to find it on my phone, so I just have to look at it. Cause I pulled up our map yesterday when at the bar. Yeah, and I've got it up right now. Yeah. Endpoint. That's Kashmir right there.
I can't see that.
You want me to zoom in or?
No, I don't have my glasses, so. So if you look here, there's the route right there, Skyline
That's
Drive.
right. We miss the first big chunk of it. We can do that if you want, though.
But that's that way. Kashmir's that way.
Right. So that's what I'm saying is, if we do that, we're gonna miss the first part of it. See the purple that continues on? That the other part of it comes from Kashmir.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotcha. What is K25?
It's probably just his unit number
Oh,
for the
I was
vehicle.
gonna say, because I don't know how many variations of K9 equal K25.
Oh, that means it means he's got a bear in there.
A bear?
He opens up the back and it kind of rolls out.
Yeah, Ursa.
Wakes up.
Ursa 1. It's a police bear.
Police bear.
A police bear. And you guys say, only you can stop forest fires. Now Sam Elliott does that voice.
Oh, does he?
Of course he does. With his Sam Elliott voice.
Sam Elliott's mustache.
Can they just make a road straight?
Have you ever heard of a grid, Kashmir?
A grid. Go to the East Coast. The surveyor had a horse or a donkey or a mule or something that pulled to the right, so all of the roads have a right-hand freaking turn in them, like a radius. That's a nice house. And all of the trailer was a broken bike inside. 35 miles an hour, are you kidding me?